Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Mahmoud Sheikh, and in this video I'm gonna discuss how to move or upload your Magento online store from local server to live server, or how to migrate, how to move your online Magento store from local server to live server. So here you can see I have an online store uh, ready inside my local server. It is running inside my local server, and this project or this online store is I'm going to upload from my local server to my live server. Okay, I have done a complete video, a full almost 3 hours video tutorial or a movie on this topic of how to create or how to make an online store using Magento, where I have created exactly same looking online store. Okay, if you want to know how to make an online store using Magento, you can refer my video. My video movie name is how to make an online or e-commerce store up and running using Magento. Okay, so in this video I'll be uploading this local project or the Magento project which is running on the local server to my live server. Okay, so for that, first you need to create your database. You need to go to your live server's cPanel, and you need to log in. You need to enter your credentials of your cPanel, and then you need to get logged in into your cPanel. Once you get logged in, you need to go to your database sections. Okay, once you are inside your database option, once you click on this database option, you will be redirected to this page where it will ask you to create a database. So just try to create a database like Mag. Okay, then click on create database. Okay, now you can see it's displaying a message saying that added the database. Now we need to click to databases. Now we need to add user for that database. Okay, now come here and click on MySQL databases. Okay, now it will now again same page gets opened, and now we need to scroll down where you can see the database is created with the name of match what we have created just few seconds back. Now database is created. Now we need to add a user for the data for that database. Okay, our username is, say, let us put the same name as a user also. Okay, match Mahmoud 5 underscore match, and password. Okay, you need to again type in the password. Okay, and now click on create user. Okay, now we are creating a user for our database which we have created few minutes back. Okay, now you can see messages displaying you have successfully created a MySQL user. Okay, now again click on databases. Okay, now again click on MySQL databases option. Okay, now we have created a database and we have also created a user, but we are left with assigning privileges to our user. Okay, if you come further down here, you can see we have a database Mahmoud 5 underscore match, and we have created a user for this database with the name Mahmoud 5 underscore match, and now it's asking us to add user to the database. Now we need to click on add button. Okay, now it will ask us to assign the privileges for that user. Okay, so click all privileges. I'm going to assign all the privileges for my user to access this database. Okay, now click on make changes. Okay, now you can see there is a message saying that you have given a requested privileges to the database, to the user so and so. Okay, now we have successfully created our database and we have created a user, and then we have assigned privileges to that user to access the database. Now we need to click on again databases, and from here we need to go to PHP my admin. Yeah, click on PHP my admin. Now in PHP you can see the database that we have created just now will be displayed you in here PHP Okay, now I'm in my live servers PHP if I click on this plus option, then you can see a database with a name called as Mahmood5 underscore mag is created, which is what we have created just few minutes back. Okay, now there is nothing in this table, sorry, there is nothing in this database. What we need to do is we need to go to our local servers PHP my admin. Okay, so in local servers PHP my admin, whatever database we had created while creating this online store project, we need to open that database. Okay, now this is my database. My database name is Magento store 2, and here you need to export this database. Okay, we need to click on we need to come to our local servers PHP my admin, and we need to open the database which we had created for developing this online store on local. Okay, then we need to click on export. Okay, now we will get this screen saying that exporting tables from Magento store to database. Okay, now here we need to select on SQL format, and then we need to click on go. Okay, your database file will get downloaded. Here you can see the file is downloaded. Okay, now our SQL or this one Magento store 2 .sql file is downloaded. Now we need to go to that location. Okay, from here we need to uh, cut this, or let's just open it from here itself. Right click and then open edit with notepad++. Okay, this database file you need to update wherever you have wherever your live local server address, you need to change it with your live server address. Okay, so let's press Ctrl F, and let's find for the address of local server 127.0.0.1 and click on find next, and here you will see now we need to change this 127.0.0.1 slash Magento store to our live servers. Okay, like your domain domain.com. Okay, your domain, any whatever is your domain name, you need to replace your local server address with your live server address. I'll just copy this and paste it here. Okay, or else what you can do is just press Ctrl F. Okay, then replace. Okay, replace and put your live server address domain your domain.com, and then click on replace all to replace this. Copy. I want to replace this local address wherever in my database file, wherever there is a text with the local address, I'm replacing it with my live server address. Okay, so now click on replace all. You can see replace all three occurrences will get replaced. Okay, now close it. Okay, now save it, and now you need to come to your C drive. Inside C you need to come to XAMPP and htdocs. Okay, before this what you have to do, you have once you changed your database file, once you change the local address, local server address to your live server address, then you need to come to your live servers database, live servers PHP my admin, and you need to click onto your database. Okay, now you need to click on import. You need to import your database file inside your live servers PHP my admin, and then click on choose file. Okay, here I'll be going to downloads because I have my Magento store SQL file inside my downloads folder, so I'll select this. Okay, and then I will click OK, go. It will take some time. Okay, once your database file gets imported in your live server PHP admin, you will get this message: import has been successfully installed. 1254 queries are executed. Okay, now if you click on your database, you will get all the tables imported inside your database. See, you can see all the tables are created. Okay, now once you imported all your database tables from your local PHP my admin to live PHP my admin, now you need to go to your C drive. Inside C drive, go to XAMPP, and inside XAMPP click on htdocs folder. Inside htdocs, you need to open your project. Okay, for in this case my project is Magento store. Okay, here you need to select all the files, and then you need to right click on all the files, right click on the selected files, and then you need to click on WinZip, and then click on add to Magento store.zip. You need to convert all your project files into a zip format. Okay, once you add to Magento store.zip, once you converted your project into zip format, you will get a folder like this. Okay, you will get a folder like this, Magento store. Now once you converted your entire project to a zip folder, you need to come to your cpanel. Inside cpanel, you need to click on file manager. Okay, inside file manager, you need to go to your public HTML. Inside public HTML, right now I don't have anything in my public HTML. Now I am going to upload my Magento project by clicking on this upload button. Now it will ask me to select the folder. I will click on select file, and I will go to my C drive, inside XAMPP, inside htdocs, and inside Magento store. Here at the end, I have a Magento store in zip format, which just now I shown you how to convert into zip. Now select this folder, and now it will take some time based on the size of your project. Okay, now you can see my project is completely 100% uploaded to my live server. Now I will just close this, and here I will just refresh or reload my HTML directory. Okay, now you can see Magento store.zip folder is displaying on my live server. I just have to click and right click on this, right click and click on extract. Okay, and click on extract file. Okay, now it's extracting all the files of your project. Okay, now it has now it is displaying a window where it's having all the files. Now close it. Okay, now you can see all the folders and files have been extracted, and now you need to select this zip file and you need to delete it. Click on delete, click on confirm. Okay, now once you have extracted all your online project folder, now you need to go to your inside your app, and then etc folder. Inside your etc folder you will find a file called as local.xml. Now just right click on it and click on edit. in this file you need to enter your database credentials. Okay, here you can see it has the configuration settings for your database, username, password, and database name. So at the beginning of this video, we had created the database, and we had added the user and password for that database. Now we need to go to our phpMyAdmin, and here we need to go to our database. Sorry, we need to come to our cPanel and go to database sections. Okay, now we are in our database panel. Here you can see we had created the database with the name of Mahmood5_match, and we had assigned the user of Mahmood5_match user, and we had created the password also for this database and user. Okay, and we had uploaded our local server database. We had imported our database into our live servers database, and now what we need to do is, okay, uh, I will take this database name and this user which I had already created. So process is same, whichever database you created, I will take that database name and user. So I will take this one. I have credential of this database here on my notepad. Okay, here I have the database name. I'll just copy this, and I will come here, and database name I will just paste it out here. Okay, and user is, okay, and password, copy by pressing Ctrl C, and then paste it here by pressing Ctrl V. Okay, now I have added my database name, password, and username of database. Now I will click on save changes. Okay, now all the changes have been saved. Now I will go to my live server. Okay, okay, now you can see my project is displaying. My project is working fine and successfully uploaded from my local server to live server. This is the local server. This project is running or working on running in local server, and this is the live server. Okay, for some reason it's not displaying the logo. I have to add that logo inside that folder. Just right click on this and click on inspect. Okay, what is the name of that image? Okay, logo.jpg. It is not found. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just go to our Magento folder. Inside here, go to skin, and then front end. Inside htdocs, open your Magento folder. I have a file called logo.jpg inside skin. Inside skin, go to front end and rwd theme, then default images, and then here I have that image. I'll just copy this and I will paste it here on my desktop, and I will come to my uh, HTML folder, public HTML folder of my live server. I will click on up one level, then again up one level, and inside my project folder I will click on skin, and then front end I will go to rwd theme. Inside rwd click on default, and inside default click on images, and here I need to upload that logo. See, I will choose the file which I have kept in my desktop. Will select that file and I'll upload. Okay, now come here and reload Okay, you can see logo.jpg is displaying. And now if I come to my live server and if I refresh the page, now you will get that logo displaying here. See, now logo is displaying. So this is how you can upload or move your or migrate your online Magento online project from local server to live server. Okay, I hope you got some useful information out of this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, click on like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video where I'll be discussing on any other topic. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.